Hello students, in this video lesson you're going to learn how to make a custom template. So far we've been using the templates that come standard with Autodesk Inventor. So here you see exercise 07 from a previous lesson showing us the default template. What we're going to do is create our own custom template where you have inserted an image, your name, drawing title, date, the checked, approved by, and a blank spot. The checked and approved, that's for me. So whenever you get an assignment returned, you're going to get either checked or approved. I'll put my initials in one of those boxes. If you have my initials in the approved box, that means you earn full credit on the assignment. If you have my initials in the check box, that means that I checked it. You didn't earn all the credits. There's most likely going to be notes on your drawing telling you what to correct or what should have been done correctly. And then just an empty box for me to write anything else, maybe even do a little something for you. So in this video lesson, you're going to learn how to create this custom template that you'll use for your drawings from here on out. The template will exist on its own, and whenever you need to make a new drawing, you'll open that up and just save it as the part that you're making. So you'll learn how to do that in the next video lesson. This video lesson is only learning how to make this custom title block. So this is called a title block. So let's get started. On your home screen, go to start a new drawing. Then you're going to right click sheet 1, edit the sheet, change it to size A, click OK, right click ANSI large, delete, and then click the plus button for drawing resources, click the plus button for title blocks, and this is where we will create our new title block. Right click on title block and click on define a new title block. We actually have to draw our title block. So let's do that. So click on the rectangle tool, click and draw a box. Let's dimension this by 10.24 and this by 0.75. Okay. Now it's going to show that it's outside of this area. That's okay. Let me show you what will happen. I'm going to click Finish Sketch, and then I'm going to save the name of the title block. So do that. So name it your name and the words title block. Save. And now watch what happens. When I go right click on the cruise title block and click Insert, it'll just put it at the bottom here. Now that's just showing you what happens, why I made it 10.24 wide by 0.75. That's just showing you the outside perimeter of the box. This is not done. We actually have to add all the other information to it. So if you did this step with me here now, good. If you didn't, just hang tight. So what I need to do to go back into edit this, I need to go over here, right click, and click edit. And now I can go back in and add the other lines that I had shown you in the example. So we're going to add some vertical lines. So I'm going to add a line here. So what I did was I clicked line, drew a line. Now I'm going to trim this excess here. I don't need that. And I'm going to dimension this from this line to this line, 0.75. And I'm tapping escape while I'm doing things so I can move stuff out of the way. There we go. And then on the right side, I can't remember exactly what it was. Let me go back to my example. Let's go in here, edit. Okay, so we had that 0.75. We're going to have this 3. Okay, so click on line, draw a vertical line, click trim, trim these up. Between this line and this line, that is 3 inches. Let me go back to that's 3 inches, 2 inches. So another vertical line. that is 2 inches from here. And then, let's see, a 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch. So draw a line, draw a line. Dimension between here and here, that's 1 inch. Dimension between here and here, that's 1 inch. And then dimension between here and here, that's 1 inch. And press trim. I gotta trim up this line here. I don't need those extra lines. Okay, so there's your basic starting point right here. If you need to catch up, take a moment, pause the video, catch up. Okay, moving on. So then we need this horizontal line. So we're going to do that between the midpoints. So click on line, find the midpoint of this line right here, click, and then go all the way to this one right here and click. And I just press escape. Now let's start adding some text and some special text. You'll see in a moment what I mean by that. So right here, this is going to say designed by. So click on text, and then from corner to corner, click and drag a box out and let the text box open. So here's where we change stuff before we even start writing. So click on center justification and middle justification. Change Tahoma to Technic. Change the size to 0.100. And then in all caps, type designed by and then colon and click OK. Good. Then this next text box, click on text, click and drag from corner to corner. And again, we have to do this for each one. Center, middle, Technic, 0.1, click on the text box and type, I forget what it was, title, colon, click OK. Let's see, what did I actually, drawing title. It can just be title. That's fine. Click on text. And here we're going to write checked. So from corner to corner, middle, or center, middle, Technic, 0.1, checked. Click OK. Okay, checked, or text, corner to corner, center, middle, Technic, approved, with a comma, or colon, I'm sorry, click OK. Oh, I didn't change the size. So if you mess up, double click on the words, you have to highlight everything, and then change whatever it is you're going to change. If you don't highlight it, it won't change. And click OK. Now it actually fits. Did I do this right? Oh, I forgot date. Okay, so approved it is going to go over here. Checked is going to go right here. Date is going to go. So how did I move that? Just with nothing selected up here, press escape a couple times. Just hover over the words and click and hold down, and it'll let you move it around. Okay, so click text, click and drag from corner to corner, center, middle, Technic, 0.1, date, colon, OK. Now, we need to set it so that it automatically will put your name here, the title, the date, and then that's it. So once again, click on text and click on corner to corner, click and drag corner to corner. Now here's where Inventor is special. Before we do anything else though, again, click on center, middle, Technic, point 1. And now here along this row, we're going to play with these menus. So you're going to click on the type. We want to be on Properties Drawing. We want it to be Author. And then you want to click on this button right here. It'll put that right there. And then click OK. Now, when you go to your iProperties to update your information, it'll update this automatically. We're going to do that same thing with title and date. Click text, click and drag from corner to corner, corner to corner, center, middle, Technic, point 1. Click on Properties Drawing. This is the title, so click on Title. Click on the Insert button right here and click OK. And then the date, click on Text, drag a box corner to corner, center, middle, Technic, point 1, click on Properties Drawing, and we want it to be Creation Date. And click on that drop down menu and click OK. We're not done yet, almost done. For this next part, you can insert an image here of whatever you'd like. And let me show you how to do that. So before you actually insert an image into this section, you need to go on the internet, find a square image that you like. It needs to be school appropriate, obviously. It could be an icon, a symbol, it could be your favorite sports team, it could be even a picture of you. And once you've saved it, make sure you know where you saved it. If you saved it on the desktop or in the picture folder, that's fine. So once you have the image saved, in Inventor, you find this image button right here. So click Image, and then you click and drag a square right here where the image is going to live. And then it's going to open up a menu. And here I already have like this Tiger one selected, but on my desktop I have this Daft Punk image. So I just click on the image and then I click open, and it'll place the image there for me. Now, once all of this is done, I click on Finish Sketch. I'm going to save yes, and there's my custom title block. And I'm not done still. I need to actually save this as a custom template. So I'm going to go to File, Save As, and this is going to be, this is my like third or fourth custom template. So I'm going to write, this since there's Daft Punk as the image, Daft Punk custom template. Okay, so whatever name you want to name it, just make sure you put the words custom template in there and save it. Then, this is a great part. Go to Home. Click on your Home button. Oh, why isn't mine working? I think it's frozen. Hang tight. All right, there we go. So in your Home button, for example, let's say you're finished a part. Your 3D model is totally done. Okay. Instead of going to New Drawing, what you do is you go Home and you open up your custom template. Let me go up top. Where is it? So here's my Daft Punk custom template. You open that first. Okay, so that's the first thing you open. You don't go to New Drawing because you don't need to make it again. It's already going to exist here. And what you'll do is you'll click on Base, and whatever the last part you opened was should be your base. If it's not your base, in the Drawing View menu, click on this button right here, and you can open existing files. You can find whatever file you need to work on. And then once you have all your dimensions on there, you go to File, Save As, and you change the name, because if you save over your custom template, it's going to save your part in there too, and then you have lost your custom template. You'll have to redo your custom template again, or remove all of the technical drawing stuff that you did on the template and save it as the custom template again. So make sure that you're saving your file as the part name and not as the custom template name. So then the next time you make a part, that's what you do. You open the part again, you go back home, you find your custom template, you open that, you click on base, click on the file. See, this time it didn't. You gotta find the file right here. Find whatever file it is you're working on and create your technical drawing. Then never forget to go to File, iProperties, and update the summary or project tab with the correct information like the author, title, and that's it. For your custom template, that's all you need is the author and title. So that's how you create custom templates for your drawings. For the next few exercises and Autodesk Inventor exercises, I want to see your custom template on your technical drawings. That'll be part of the main grade.